Hello students, once again I welcome you in the another video session of accountancy class 12 and the topic is company accounts. In previous video we studied how the capital is contributed by the company. What are the process and steps to contribute capital? In this video we are going to study what are the stages followed. What are the sequence of entries followed in company's account? While preparing a journal entry in company account, what are the steps followed? Or we can say the sequence of journal entry that we are going to study today. See, we all know by seeing prospectus, if anyone is interested to invest amount in the company or to buy a share of a company, first of all, he has to fill the application that I told in previous video. So after filling application, what he has to do? He has to send that filled application along with the amount, whatever the prescribed amount of application. He makes DD for it, and along with the application, he has to send DD to the company or the check to the company. So as soon as the company receives the check is just like a paper. There is no use for the company. How the check is converted into money? For this, we have to send check to the concerned bank or the banker of the company. So, first entry that is passed in terms of company, that is bank entry, because bank receives the check. First of all, bank receives the check, that's why bank entry comes first. See, I took the application category. First we have to prepare bank entry because bank receives the check. And when the actual amount credited to the bank account, then the company transfers those amount in their capital account, because whatever the money received, that has to be transferred to capital account. You getting point? Whatever the money received against share, that has to be transferred to capital account. So second entry we have to pass transfer entry. Whatever the money received in application process, that has to be transferred to capital account. So first we have to prepare bank entry, then transfer entry. Then come to the allotment category. Company feels that the opponent is well and good, holding good status, good credibility in the market. Then the company wish to offer share to him. Okay? So he intimates the opponent that to pay the allotment money. As soon as this intimation received by the opponent, he makes the check or DD, whatever the prescribed, okay, according to the allotment rate. Then he sends that DD and check to the company. Before this, the company has to pass the due entry, because company knows that this much of amount is going to come from the holder, because we are going to allot share. So it is decided, it means this much of amount has to be received from the particular person. So company makes or generates due entry prior. So that's why due entry will come, and as soon as the money comes, money received or credited, bank entry will come, because bank is the receiver. Next, in case of call, first call and second call also, you have to follow the same process. Okay? First, company generates due entry because company knows that how much amount is going to come from that particular person. So they generate due entry. they make due entry that this much amount is due from that particular person because we allowed a share. And when he finally makes the payment, bank entry will come because bank receives the amount. You're getting point? So this was the basic sequence followed while preparing journal entry of company. Hope you understood this topic. Be with me in next video to explore new knowledge.